G'day, how's it going? Shell-Stand Photography here. Today I'm just bringing you a video on the Canon Image Pro-310 printer, which I've just picked up. And yeah, we'll do an unboxing and set it up and see how it goes. So here it is, just recently arrived. It's quite large. Hopefully I've made a big enough spot on my desk over here to fit it in, but we'll see how we go. Alright, now we've opened up the box. You can just get rid of a few bits and pieces. There are some bits and pieces we want to keep though, and they in this middle section. So I'll just put those couple of bits aside. And now we'll look at getting this thing out. Alright, so I got it out of the plastic. Now it's just a matter of making sure we get all these tabs off. So I'll just remove all those and then we'll look at putting the inks in, I guess. Alright, so I've just plugged it in and turned it on. Everything I've done is so that I'm going to set this to English. So just hit OK. Get the date. Yes, the 19th is correct. Oops. Just punch in 19 there. Okay. The time. What's the time?
6:30.
Exactly.
6:31.
Thank you. Alright, so we'll just get in here. 6:31. Okay. So it's just telling me what to do here. So it's just saying that protective material is not removed completely. So open the cover. And I think it's probably just talking about this bit here. Okay, just need to pop that out. And then I'm going to just close that cover. Okay, it's finished its check, so it's just telling me to open the cover. And you can see it tells you exactly what to do here. Just lift up that arm. And it's just telling me to install the inks. Okay, as you can see, it gives you a little video of what you need to do. Right, so I'm just going to do that. Alright, so as the video shows, which will come up in a second, we need to put the bit that actually holds the inks in. And so that should be the next thing I think comes up in the video. Yeah, so that bit there. Make sure we don't touch it. So that's just this bit here. I'm just going to remove that orange tab and I'm going to insert that. Okay, so as you can see, I've just inserted that, making sure I didn't touch the contacts. So that's in. The next thing is to add the inks, and you can see that it's very clear where each of them go. On the actual ink tags, just match up the letters. So I'll just do that. Alright, so I'll just go through putting the first one in. It's just like any other ink cartridge by the looks of it. Just make sure you're getting the right letter, matching it with the right spot. Whiff that up. Take off this orange tab. And then, as it says, just slot it in. So get it in and just push it down till it clicks in. I'll continue on and do the rest of these, and then I'll be back after we're finished. Alright, so as you can see, I've got them all in. My suggestion to you is just to lay them out in the order that they're going to go. You can easily just check just by pulling that down, checking to make sure the colours all line up. So as you can see, they all line up, so I'm ready to go now. Just a matter of clipping that down. Okay, and once I've done that, the instructions are telling me to close the cover. Alright, so we'll see what's next. Alright, so it's actually asked me to do an alignment now. So it's just saying to improve the print quality. It's going to do an alignment. Just get a piece of A4 or letter size plain paper. If you don't have any at the time you're doing this, it says that you can do this later, but I do. So I'm just going to grab a piece of plain A4 paper, and then I'll continue on. Right, so as you can see, I've got that in, and I'm just going to hit OK. Right, so it's just telling me to load that A4 or letter size plain paper in the top feed. Open the output tray, just as there, and then press OK. So let's do that. Alright, so that says it's got 11 minutes remaining, so we'll come back to it. Alright, after a while it will finish. For a bit there I was getting worried because about 7 or 8 minutes in I hadn't started taking a piece of paper and it was making all the noises, and I'm thinking, oh, has it not picked it up? But you can relax, it will pick it up. It just takes a while for it to obviously do whatever it needs to do before it takes the paper in. It's now asking me, do I want to enable firmware updates automatically? I'm going to do that just so it keeps updated. Their surveys, yeah, sorry, not interested, Canon. So setup is now complete. It tells me to hit next. Now it then asks, do you want to connect to a computer or smartphone? So yes, I want to connect to a computer or smartphone. Then it's asked me to install the app to continue. So enter the following URL in the browser's address bar and then follow the instructions displayed on the page. So I'm going to have to go across now to the computer and enter that for the rest of the setup. Alright, so moved on to the computer now. Just going to put in the address it tells me. Alright, so now we just need to select the relevant information. So mine's an image Pro-310. So I just need to connect the printer to this computer. And then hit this download. So I'll just see if I can find a cord to do that. Okay, so it looks like Canon don't put in the USB cable, which is a bit shit, I think. Come on, Canon, don't be bloody cheap. Put a cable in. How hard is it? Oh, fortunately, I've got one, so I've just added that in. Now going to go to download that software. And just run that. You can see it's asking me to move Canon print to the application, so I'll do that. Alright, so that should have gone to applications. Let's just open up applications. Just find Canon print. Okay, so I've got my applications here, Canon print. Okay, it's from the internet, that's great. Open anyway. Alright, so you got your usual. Let's face it, if you don't check agree, you're not going to be able to use it. So, except for these optionals, I don't want Canon collecting information. More about my activities, and I'm not subscribing to their messages. So, just making sure that I've got the required ticked, and just hit OK. Alright, so what's here? If you do not agree to send the information that's necessary to use the services, you are not able to use the services provided on the basis of your sending such information. So that must be this one. So I want to use the services, or at least want the option to. So we'll agree to that one, but not the others. Okay, we'll allow that. Go through and hit setup. So there we go. Add in the password and start setup. Okay, so my printer is turned on. Alright, so I can set this up on the Wi-Fi, which is great. That's what I want to do. I'm going to set it up on my wireless. Okay, it's obviously doing something because the printer is now saying it's processing. And please wait momentarily. Right, so it says me the wireless connect has been completed, so I said okay. And I just missed what that was. It says it failed to connect the printer to the network. Interesting, because it's connected on the printer itself. I don't know, maybe I just should have waited there, but I've actually, I think, set it up on the printer itself. It's saying it's connected. Now, set for printers. Printers and scanners. Add to printer. There it is. I don't know what this was going through, but add that in. Oh, let's, I guess, see if we can, yeah, get working. Grab something to print here. That setup on my Mac was a little bit confusing, but we're connected. It's now printing something off. Just thought I'd print off my highly commended award from Photographer of the Year 2025 and Ted's Camera House. Just because I didn't really have anything else to print. And as you can see, it's coming out fine. That's just with the regular paper too. I haven't put anything special in there. There we go, done. First print job. So what's my verdict? Well, actually it was pretty simple to set the printer up. Got a little bit confusing when I went through the software or the web page to set it up, and it was trying to set it up through that. I think probably I was just a bit impatient, and I actually started playing around on the printer itself, and I think I connected it to the network before that bit of software, the Canon print software, had a chance to do it, so probably my fault, that one. But yeah, easy to set up. The instructions that you get on the actual printer itself, little pictures that it rotates through, quite easy to follow. And once I had it set up, yeah, very easy to get a print and to create something that you can get up on your wall. So overall, yeah, my recommendation would be go for it if you're thinking about it. Easy to set up, easy to use, quality seems outstanding. So yeah, definitely do. All right, well, that'll be it for this video. Next one that I come up with, I think I'll try and print something that I actually want to keep. So I'll be back with another one. So anyway, that's all for now. See you later.